I gotta make sure everything closed. Yes. I'm on the sit now. I can make a funny turn on this ride. Scary a bit, this ride. Yes, it is. It's a long time ago to be on this ride. Just scary. Yeah, it's scary. And also started to win. Oh. It is scary. But I will get used to it after a while. Oh, that's really scary. Oh, that is scary. And that one is scary too. Make a funny turn. It's also more windy now. I'm raining. Looks like we're going to fall over. Of the wind. Just trying to take a quick photo. It's stopping now. At least it's stopping. Make you feel a little bit sick, that ride. Now it nearly stopped. It is quite scary. Almost a little bit colder now. Okay, I'm finished this ride now. Okay, bye.